Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 530 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin has broken $51,000, MicroStrategy has upped its debt for Bitcoin offering to $900 million, HUT.TO has announced a Bitcoin balance of 3,012, EBON is launching a Bitcoin mining business, and BIGG subsidiary BIGG is partnering with NetKey. Just before we get into the show, however, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. I also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts featured on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So as is so often the case these days, Bitcoin wasted no time in surpassing its recently achieved new all-time high trading price. We covered this yesterday on Crypto Corner when it broke $50,000 US, as it crossed the $51,000 mark early this morning according to data from CoinMarketCap. So far it has peaked at about $51,630 and has not seen a significant downward correction. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is trading for about $51,350. MicroStrategy, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol MSTR, which yesterday announced a proposed private offering of $600 million in convertible senior notes, has adjusted the pricing of its offering to $900 million. The company expects net proceeds from the sales of the notes to be approximately $879.3 million, an amount it plans to use to acquire additional Bitcoin. HUT.TO Mining Corp., which trades on the TSX under the ticker symbol HUT, announced that as of the end of the day, Tuesday, February 16th, it had a Bitcoin balance of 3,012 or $186 million Canadian. The company's CEO, Jamie Leverton, said, quote, "Our commitment to hodling Bitcoin is at the core of our strategy in creating incremental value for HUT.TO investors. I'm proud of our position as a leading Bitcoin miner globally and celebrate our substantial Bitcoin balance as a testament to the strength and efficiency of our mining and executive leadership teams. We will continue to manage our operations to prevent the need to sell any of the Bitcoin we mine for the foreseeable future." End quote. EBON International Holdings Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol EBON, has passed a resolution to launch a Bitcoin mining business. According to the press release, this will involve the deployment of self-manufactured mining machines and mining machines purchased from other manufacturers, as well as leasing computing powers from other mining farms. Dong Hu, that's EBON's chairman and CEO, commented, quote, "With the development of Bitcoin mining business, the company will not only just continue to position itself as a Bitcoin mining machine producer. This move will increase our revenue in cryptocurrency business and optimize our product offering structure. We believe it will help the company's transformation from a hardware manufacturer to a blockchain company with comprehensive involvements in its industry chain." End quote. Blockchain Intelligence Group, or BIG, a subsidiary of BIGG Digital Assets, Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol BIGG, has partnered with KYC and AML regulatory technology provider NetKey to integrate the latter's travel rules solution, Transact ID, into BIG's compliance suite of tools to allow BIG's clients to meet the latest regulatory recommendations put out by FATF, that's the Financial Action Task Force, and strongly endorsed by the G7. NetKey's CEO Justin Newton had this to say, quote, "NetKey is pleased to partner with Blockchain Intelligence Group, an industry leader in cryptocurrency compliance solutions. The integration of our Transact ID travel rules solution into their platform ensures the market has a full-service provider for the AML and travel rule regulations put out by FATF. We know these recommendations will shortly be regulations adopted globally." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.